Hello, I'm Sarah Banks and I am the owner of Banks' Business Solutions, and today I want to talk about why I chose the GDPR cookie consent plugin from WebToffee. I'm an online business consultant and I was looking initially for a plugin for my own website that would comply with GDPR and EU cookie law, that would generate a policy, so meaning that I didn't have to try and find a way of getting a legally binding policy in place, but that would also allow me to scan the website periodically for cookies and update it. I found the GDPR cookie consent plugin, had a look at the free version initially, thought that was great, and decided to upgrade to the premium version because it would give me that ability to scan the cookies, generate the policy, and make sure that I could keep my website compliant. I've been using it for 2 years now. The first 6 months I used it for myself, and I then shared it with some of my clients and let them know about the benefits of the plugin, and decided to upgrade to get a multi-site license so that I would be able to then share that plugin with the clients and allow them to have it on their website. When I first joined, there was a few questions that I had. The support team were fantastic. They always come back to you within 24, 48 hours max if you're contacting them outside of general working hours, but really, really helpful. Never had any problems with the plugin, and in fact in the last few months it's been upgraded as they now work with CookieYes, and the scanning facility is so much better, as is the way that the granular consent comes through for people now, and it's all automated based on that scanned list of cookies. I definitely recommend this to other website developers, online business consultants, website owners. It's a fantastic solution for a reasonable cost. You pay an annual fee to keep your updates and your license in place, but it's not an extortionate amount of money compared to some of the other options that are out there. It does everything that you need it to do, and the interface at the back end of WordPress is really, really simple and easy to use. I've even managed to train my clients in how to scan the cookies on their own websites, which therefore means that they can take full control over when they choose to do those updates. If you're interested in getting the plugin, then definitely get in touch with WebToffee, ask them any questions you've got, and I'm sure they'll be happy to help you.